Oh, good evening, everyone, and welcome to Vintage Improv. I'm Joan, a member of Sonic BoomBoom, one of Vintage's home good evening, everyone, and welcome groups. And tonight we are going to do a series of scenes for you based on this very intricate structure that we have worked out. So, Xander, if you would give us a location. Inside of a phone booth.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, I'm stuck here in the booth.
I can relate. I can relate.
Yeah?
I got 12 people here with me.
12 people?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, no, I see. Yeah.
Carl, oh, that's you.
Could you maybe get me out? I was trying to hide from someone I owe money to, and I just can't get out of the phone booth.
Oh, Carla, you're in trouble. I think I'll stay right where I am.
You're going to stay right where you are?
Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble.
These people won't hurt you. It's just me they're after because I kind of stole some money from them. It's not a big deal.
You committed a crime.
They won't. Yeah, but they won't associate you with me. They'll just say you're a nice, kindly person who walked by and helping me out of the phone.
You're scaring me.
You can just pull the door.
Carla, I don't want to have any more trouble than I already have.
No, it's all right. It's all right. You know, if they go for you, don't worry about it. Their machetes are very dull, so it's not something that you really have to stress over. And they have very terrible aim.
Machetes can hurt people a little bit.
Yeah, only a few of them have the machete.
I don't like blood.
Well, how about help me out here?
I do what I can, Carla, but I gotta save my life too, you know.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm just gonna take a little bit of a rest here because I've been in here for a long time. I was waiting for someone to come by. Not many people use a phone booth in the desert.
That's true. You can't even find a phone booth anymore.
I know, it's a lucky thing I found this, and it works too. I mean, look at me. I'm not even holding the phone, and I can talk to you.
It's magical. It's technology. You can't live with it. You can't live without it.
It's a wonderful. Oh, it's a wonderful thing. This technology. I'm kind of. It's getting a little uncomfortable in here. Wish I could get some air in here.
I'm feeling the sweeping machetes, Carla.
If you hurry though, you outrun them and you'll get me out and you'll be gone before they come.
Okay, Carla, I'll see you. I'll see you in just a jiffy and a half.
Okay, thanks.
I don't have 9 lives. I wanna live this life to the fullest that I can. And it's high risk to know my friend Carla. My friend Carla is a high risk friend. That's all I can say. She's so casual about her high risk choices. I'm gonna stay in one place for maybe 2 seconds at a time. I'll see you in a minute.
Bernice is usually willing to help me. I mean, she's the one that got me out of that vending machine when I tried to steal a Coca-Cola before the police came, But this time, for some reason, just because I mentioned something, like a machete and a dull machete, she gets all bent out of shape and won't even help me. I don't know. People these days. I'm just kind of stretching, Alice. I was enclosed in a small space for a long time.
I know. I walked by and I saw you in there. I was worried about you in there.
Yeah. It's nice that you've been taking your morning walks in the desert these days, huh? I'm proud of you.
I try to get out. I try to get out as often as I can.
Yeah, it's great. You're looking kind of worried.
I was worried about you, Carla.
Oh, but look at me, I'm out.
I'm glad to see you out because you were in there for a long time.
I'm gonna just call the folks with the machetes and tell them that they don't have to come. Okay? Just a quick text. Okay, they shouldn't show up now. So we're good. We're good. Everything's good. I'm out. You're here. It's not that hot. You know? So how many laps around the desert do you usually do?
I've been
Counting on your fingers still, huh? Mm. Alice, can you like move a little faster? You know, we've already passed a century and you're still counting. Not that I, exaggerate, but.
Carla, I lost count.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not that important, it's not that important.
I lost count of the laps.
Yeah, okay. That's good. But it's great that you're out here with your new sneakers. They're very impressive looking. Yeah. Just
really trying hard to get a lot of movement.
Yeah, on the desert. Yeah.
And not get trapped into smart places.
Yeah, like
outside.
Yeah,
outside.
And avoiding the snakes too, right? Yeah. You're such a decisive person.
Snakes? I'm not seeing snakes.
Oh,
snakes?
Yeah, they're all around the desert, And you don't have many places to sit on when you want to rest except the cactus, and that's a little prickly.
Carla, I was doing all right before I started talking to you, Carla.
Yeah, I can depress people. I understand that. I'm just telling you the facts. The desert is not the best place for your morning walk. That's all I'm saying.
Carla, I mostly just look straight ahead when I walk. I don't look down. I just look straight ahead.
Okay. Go and say what you have to about it.
Oh my God. I was fine. I was enjoying my morning walks. I thought Carla was the one with the issues. Carla's stuck in the phone booths but all of a sudden, Carla's making me a little crazy. Talking about snakes and all kinds of things I should worry about. All of a sudden, all the benefits I'm getting from all these walks is just getting unwound because of Carla and all of her suggestions.
Don't tell Alice that I told you this, but she's a woman who just cannot make decisions. And when she makes decisions, they're really the wrong ones. Who picks the desert for your morning walk? You know what I'm saying? It's a little weird. I think she tries to do these things to cover up for the fact that she just absolutely can't do math to save her skin.
Oh, there you are. Where have you been?
I have a lot on my mind, okay? I was doing okay, but not lately.
Well, I'm waiting. You were going to tell me your answer, and you never told me what your choice was. Oh,
I'm going to go for the red ones.
are you sure this time, Alice? Because, last time you said it was the blue ones, and I don't want to mix it up.
The red ones. I want to make a bold move.
Okay, so I'm going to order 25 red balloons.
Yep.
Okay.
They'll make a statement. They'll be cheerful. I think they'll...
Come on!
Yes!
Spit it out!
Unless you think I should go for the blue ones.
Oh my God. Oh. You exhaust me, Alice. You freaking exhaust me. I
What would you advise?
Oh my God. I would advise next time someone asks you to head up the committee that you say no. Okay? And you let me handle it, because I can handle it. You can't make a decision to save your own life.
I'll think about it.
Ugh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I don't know. Not sure what to make of that.
It's not easy trying to do this, and all I need from Alice is a simple this or that. Instead, I get, you understand how difficult this is for me. I'm ready to pull my frickin' hair out. Where the hell's Bernice? Oh my God, I just can't.
Oh, you're still here. Well, for a moment, I found a boyfriend. Oh, so, I had a long conversation, and then I realized I've got to be with you. Sorry.
Say that like it's a bad thing, Bernice.
Well, I didn't want to make you wait.
I thought we had a pact. No more men.
It's just so hard. It's part of my DNA to have men in my life. You're disappointed in me. I can tell by the look in your eye, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I disappointed you yet again.
Don't start your crying. Between you and Alice, I'm ready to pull my frickin' hair out.
Well,
I need new friends.
well, Carlita, you have nice hair. I don't want you to pull your hair out.
It's a figure of speech, Bernice. Figure of speech.
Oh.
Pull my hair out.
Well, you're like at a whole nother level. I gotta catch up.
You do, yeah.
Well, your understanding. Thank you.
You know I love you, Bernice.
Oh, Carlita, I was hoping you would say that. I was waiting for it. It's like you make me complete.
See, now look, you tell me what man can make you complete like that.
No, man.
No, man, thank you.
Yeah, you're totally right. And I'm going to go back and find that man and let him know that he cannot make me complete like you do, Carlita.
Thank you, Bernice.
Carlita knows me so well. I don't even have to say anything, and she knows exactly what I'm thinking. There's no man that can top that. I'm going to stick with that friend. Carlita, she is better than any man. She understands me. To the soul level.
Now, see, why can't everybody be like Bernice, you know? She gets me, I get her, we get along. Not like certain other people that can't make up their freaking minds, and I'm gonna pull my hair out.
Oh, Bernice, do I have good news for you?
Oh, I was in the bathroom. I heard you, though.
They're always in the bathroom.
I heard you, though, Carla.
All right, yeah. Listen. I've been working on it, and I know you need men in your life.
Yes, I do.
I have arranged for you not one man, but a whole group of men.
Oh, my dream come true.
They're called men with machetes. They'll be arriving probably 2 this afternoon. Dull machetes, nothing.
I'll die happy.
Yeah, look at you, yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Carla. I owe you.
You do, but wait until after they leave, and then you can, we'll discuss it.
After they leave, I'll become an angel, and I will follow you everywhere you go. And thank you over and over and over.
10 men with machetes just for you.
Oh, Carla. Thank you. It's beyond my wildest dreams.
That's pretty accurate, yeah. Don't be worried. It's just a new experience.
I'm up for new experiences, Carla.
Okay.
Oh, Bernice knows me so well. I don't have to have a long life to have a happy life. And she knows exactly what my soul needs and wants. And that is a whole troop of men with machetes. Thank you, Carla.
Oh, Bernice. I'm so glad she's happy. I did forget to tell her one important detail. One of the men is a bit of a cut-up, but, it's not too bad. I think she'll survive it.
Carla.
Alice. You look a little, fidgety.
I'm just making some decisions.
I'm not trying to make you upset, but you take longer to make a decision than anybody I know.
I know, and we're really working on that. I'm working on myself. I'm working on my ability to make decisions.
The work that you're doing takes longer than anyone I know. Spit it out, will ya?
I'm not sure about that.
You're not sure about spitting it out? Just let it out. What do you want to say? What's going through your brain? Anything? Carla. You have something to say? I'm waiting.
I was thinking about going out to lunch today.
Oh, that's really, really dramatic.
But I'm
Going out
not
to
sure whether to
lunch
go for burgers or tacos.
I'd say tacos, as hot as they get.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I'll watch. I'll just sit there and watch. I'll go with you, but I'll just watch.
But with burgers, you can get fries. That's the thing.
So get some tacos and then go get some fries without the burgers. I do it all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
They don't like it, but I do it.
okay.
I just mentioned the men with machetes. I get anything I want.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay, I'll do that. Thanks.
Okay. You could live 7 lives by the time it takes Carla to make a simple decision about, what she's going to cook for dinner. It like drives me nuts.
The thing is, if I go to 2 places, the taco place, and then I get fries, that's cheating. Like, I wouldn't really have to make a decision. Kind of cool. Is that all right? Is that okay?
So these people drive me so crazy that I've decided to live off grid. I'm moving away from here, and I never have to see any of them ever again.
Hey, that's it. I decided I'm going to get red and blue balloons. Both. Red and blue. I don't have to choose. I can get both. Red and blue balloons. Final choice.
I don't know what happened with the men with machetes, but now I've got a good group of boys with bongos, and I think people will be a little bit more relaxed about that.
What?
You right here? I almost pulled it all out.
She's got very nice hair. Very nice hair.
I can't decide. I guess it's rubbing off now.
Hey, we're Sonic Boom Boom. That's our show. Thank you.
Bye.
I'm Michelle from outside Boston.
Who's in
I'm Jill
from
from
north
outside
of Boston. Oops, sorry, Joni.
That's all right. And Lynn from
Lynn from Rotunda, West Florida.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you, Xander. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Follies.